You guys ever seen anything like this? Mercedes 180D. I don't know what year exactly this thing is, but I think it's from the 50s. This thing is awesome. You know they don't make cars that look this cool anymore. The headlights have been retrofitted and upgraded to like modern day LED. So it actually has some cool modern day accessories or amenities. But check out the interior. Check out this safe door. It is a manual transmission with the gear shifter on the column. I believe this is your handbrake. There's a choke. This thing is cool. Ultimate classic. So again, here's the before classics, and here's an example of a modern day S-Class. You've come a long way for sure. This is the long wheelbase version. Probably worth and more enjoyable to ride in the back than the front on one of these. Still love the old classic designs.